In 1963, a boy named Jensen Huang was born in Tainan, Taiwan. At just 9 years old, he moved to the United States alone, sent by his parents in search of better education. He lived with distant relatives and barely spoke English, navigating a strange new world with courage far beyond his years. By age 15, Jensen was working as a dishwasher at a Denny's restaurant to help support himself. While most teenagers were enjoying high school life, Jensen was scrubbing dishes and dreaming bigger. He later earned a degree in electrical engineering from Oregon State University, then completed a master's at Stanford University, all while quietly preparing for something massive. In 1993, Jensen co-founded NVIDIA with 2 colleagues. The company's first meeting? Held in a Denny's booth, where he had once washed dishes. With just a few $100,000 and a bold idea, they aimed to change the future of computing. NVIDIA began by creating graphics cards for video games, but Jensen saw something others didn't: the potential of GPUs to power artificial intelligence. In 2006, they launched CUDA, a software platform that allowed developers to harness GPUs for computing far beyond gaming. His bold bet paid off. Today, NVIDIA powers nearly every major AI breakthrough, from ChatGPT and Tesla's autopilot to the massive models used by Google, Meta, and Microsoft. Under his leadership, NVIDIA reached a market cap of over $2 trillion, and Jensen became known as the godfather of AI chips. From a lonely immigrant child to a dishwasher, to one of the most influential figures in modern tech, Jensen Huang's story is a reminder that resilience, vision, and bold action can change the world.